Hello yous lot, welcome to the match day vlog. It is 1:20 in the morning. It is absolutely mental setting off because of the storms. I need to get down there early. West Ham away today. I've got a air bed in the back of the car which I'll show you in a second. Got to fuel up as well. Long journey down. I'm going through the night basically because of the storms. A lot of fans have had disruptions and I'm just going to get a head start, and I can also have a 3 or 4 hour nap in the back of my car. The beauty of having a big car. So let's get on with it. Today's music was chosen by our members. It's 80s theme. So if you don't like the music, blame the members. Let's begin.
That love for support, your little piece of heaven turns to dawn. Listen to your heart when he's calling for you.
Right everybody, so it is just after 6 AM. I'm here. I've done a preview also, the drive down preview already, and I'm going to get me head down for a few hours, 3 hours sleep, 4 hours max, ready for the game. So we'll see you in the morning. Good morning people, how are you doing? You alright? Game day now, sun is up, got my sandwich going on there, and I've got my water which I'm taking on the tube. So let's get into London properly this time, eh? Let's take a look at Newcastle's lineup. Bad blow this morning. No saint-maximin, no Kieran Trippier, no Callum Wilson. Newcastle's best 3 players are all out of this game. This is going to be a tough afternoon, I feel. Come on boys, we need a positive result. Dig deep. Emil Krath is in, Jacob Murphy is in, Bruno Guimaraes continues on the bench, which I'm a little bit surprised at. But let's take a look at West Ham's side. So West Ham obviously trying to go for the Champions League spot. They're desperate for a win. The man that we pointed out in the previews, of course, was Jared Bowen. He's the one to watch today. So Matty Target needs to be keep him occupied, shall we say, today. But as the fans start coming in, let's crack on with the vlog. West Ham have just hit the bar. I think that was Jared Bowen.
Support is fucking shit. Your support is fucking shit. Your support is fucking shit.
West Ham scored. Dawson has scored. 1-0.
Eddie Howe's blowing on me. Eddie Howe's blowing on me. Eddie Howe's blowing on me.
Right then everybody, so back at the car now, off to the hotel Travelodge, which is in Hatfield. Not too far, about 25-minute drive. It's because I cannot be faced editing videos and doing five hours driving. No, I'm already knackered with 3 hour skip, but let's get on the road. Right then everybody, long day, long day. I've still got to edit a few videos as well. I've got my KFC in here. So I'm going to eat that whilst I end the videos. Help us out by smashing the like button. Hope you've enjoyed the vlog as well. See you later everyone.